Are you guys ready to get in alignment with what you're doing? Get in alignment with what you want? If you're ready to get in alignment, I mean to actually calibrate your energy to the desires, to what you want, to what you want to be, to what you want to have, and all the above. So, are you ready to align with what you want? That's a good question. I ask myself that several times a week, actually. Am I calibrated to what I want? And I actually have a series of different questions that I will ask at different phases in my life, at different points of interest that I have. So when I do this and I'm asking myself, okay, what is it that I really want to calibrate my energy to? This is like being in alignment with what you want. And you've all heard me talk about being in alignment, and I'm sure you've heard other people as well talking about the importance of being in alignment to what it is you're wanting to create. And when you're in alignment, excuse me a second, to what you want to create, then you're going to find that it's going to come to you easier. It's going to come to you more abundantly. And what you want and what you desire, if you're on the same page with that, I mean, it's your mindset. It is all about who you are, what you're doing, the steps you're taking. Excuse me. Pardon me. So, I love when I get up in the morning. Everyone knows I have a routine that I go through because I've said it several times, right? And no, you're tired of hearing that, so I'm not going to do that today. So, I like to calibrate my energy with my intentions. And without an intention, it's like having a goal. If you don't have a set of goals that you're working on, a set of goals that you want to have, that's going to produce what you want, that's going to take you forward, that's going to be that person you need to be as you're accomplishing those goals. So, I find that mindset is a lifestyle. And when mindset is a lifestyle, and we know it is, then why not take what you know, the skills you already have, and put those to use for you being and doing and having all the things that you're desiring that have not quite come to you as of yet. So when you know mindset is your lifestyle, don't you think that that lifestyle you are creating is building that foundation for what you're having come to you, for what's flowing freely to you, and for everything that is around you? It is a possibility that a lot of us out there think that we're calibrated to the energy flow of what we want, when in fact we end up being calibrated to something that we really don't want. So I'm just going to simplify this for you here today in this training, is knowing that your mindset and your lifestyle are connected. They are connected. They're just like this. They're connected. They're together. Your lifestyle and your mindset are connected. It's like knowing the market, knowing when the best time to buy a house is, knowing when the best time to sell is. For example, right now is not the time to buy a house. Right now is the time to sell because the market is so high, they're paying exuberant amounts of money for homes. But on the other hand, when you look at that, you will be paying an exuberant amount for a home or a building or a rental property, whatever you're looking for. So when you're in alignment or you're in calibrated to what your intentions are, you're going to find that you will know this because you're going to be more listening to what's going on around you. You're going to be listening to the people who are out there telling you, this is what's happening in the world. This is what's happening right now. So this is not a good time for this, but it's a good time for this, for that. And that's where it all comes in, to where we are using our lifestyle and our mindset to be friends, to be connected. So there's just a few questions here that I'm going to go over with you real quickly here. Because if you don't have a set of questions that you're asking yourself every day, how do you know and how does yourself know what you're doing and what you're not doing? So I want you to choose your words very carefully before you speak to yourself. Speak in the mirror. I always like to do a mirror talk because mirror talk is so powerful. I like to do a mirror talk when I do this. And you're going to fill in the blanks. I'm going to give you part of the sentence and you're going to fill in the blanks. So, sentence number 1 is, I love that. And for example, you could say, I love that my bed is so comfortable. Just an example. Okay? And have emotion and feeling as you're saying each one of these phrases. And as you go, start with the phrases I'm giving you right now. And then as you progress, you change your phrases up to accommodate what you're working on. Okay, number 2 is I take pleasure doing this. What is it? Maybe you take pleasure skiing. Maybe you like gardening. Maybe you like stamp collecting. Maybe you like being a coach. Maybe you like building courses. Whatever it is, fill in the blank. But have emotion attached to how it makes you feel when you have pleasure doing this. Okay? I love having this success. Again, what success have you had? It could be the smallest thing. Maybe you have success in healing your body. Fantastic. Love that. Maybe you have success in walking the block. Fantastic. Celebrate that. Whatever it is, have success, have feelings, and have emotions attached to that. Okay, next is I am grateful for everyone who joins me. If you're a home business owner out there and you are, taking recruits in and, growing your team and growing your prospects, definitely have gratitude and be thankful for everyone who joins your team. Not only will they be getting an exuberant amount of training and, insights from you, but you will be getting more help from them just by sharing knowledge. Big plus. Okay, I am thankful for my talents. Always be grateful and thankful for the talent you have and the talent you're learning. Because what you're doing is not just for you. You are progressing and you are putting out there for other people to learn and to grow based on your knowledge. You are being a teacher, a leader. So definitely be thankful for your talents. Okay, I am excited to offer the best training. This is one of my favorite ones because I love it. Whenever I go on to do speaking or whenever I do a training like this right here, I was so excited to do this today and I didn't get to do it first thing in the morning. I had to wait and do it later because of some other appointments that came up. But I'm so excited for this and I love doing these every day. So be excited. You're offering the best training because people are going to take value from this and they're going to get more and more value as you go on. Okay, there's just 3 more here I want to share with you. Okay, I love the well-being of my body. I love my body's health. That's the next one. So if you love your well-being of your body, the next one for your body is I love being my ideal weight. These phrases can change your body's condition. They can change your body from being an unhealthy person to being a healthy person just based on your energy and how you're calibrating to those phrases. As you calibrate to each phrase, you're going to find that things will come easier to you and those things will just flow freely to you on a more of a normal basis. And when you have each statement and the answer and feel good about what you're saying, feel good about what you're doing, feel good about how it makes you feel, and always focus on the growth that you're giving yourself, your mindset, your business, and how what you are doing now to grow you, to grow your business, to grow other people, is benefiting everyone around you. When you can calibrate your energy to feel good, to feel happy, to be that person that is in alignment, and you're just always, hold on just a second, calibrate your energy. And it is all about feelings, emotions. It's all about the above. Okay, I just want to put that in there real quick. When you can do that, do it with heart, do it with feeling, do it with an intention of helping other people, of helping more people succeed, of having more people focus on what they are doing, having more people get involved in learning the steps and learning the skills, in being that person that is actually leading the pack. So definitely produce your outcome by calibrating your emotions, your energy to your intentions that you have. And these are just a few here statements that will help you if you use them. Nothing will help you unless you actually use it. So definitely use them and get going. And I also have a 6-part video training in here, which is really, really spectacular because it goes into so much detail on how you're going to connect all the above into what you're doing, into your lifestyle, into your business, into your growth. And I suggest I would encourage you, sorry about that, I would encourage you to take advantage of this while it's here, because I don't know how long I'm going to have this one out here. It's so in demand and it fills up so fast. But keep in mind, once you get this, and you can download this, it's free. You can have it. You can keep it forever. So keep using the skills, the tips, the tricks, the strategies. It's all to help you grow, and it's all to keep you in calibrated alignment with what it is you desire most in your life. Keep in mind, your mindset and your lifestyle are connected. They flow together.